Menteri Rangba ka CM Conrad ke sangma marsin tip ya ka jingjia pluh ding ka Shillong Bar Association kabadan syadin ka ophis jong ka Deputy Commissioner DC East Khasi Hills District hakamit arpu South tarik rempang ulah Hiar jurip marmar kani ka jingjia pluh ding kalajia hakapor kumba shipo baji menmiet u Menteri ulah Hiar sya kani ka ophis jong ki muktiar ban shim jingkhen ya ka jingpen julor ka ding Lasen ran lang ya u Menteri Rangba da u Deputy Chief Minister badik mi yaktanat Urban Affairs ba sngyaw bhalang dahar, Chief Secretary ba DP wa lang, DC kong RM kurba bat kiwe. U Conrad habakran syakilat pathai kubor, ula ong empatla ban penthi kena ya kadaw. Henry I kumba kadai na ka jingthut ka bording, ka balawan ra ya ka jingjia pluh ding. Ula ong ru bakadai ka jingjia ka bas ngausi, bat don bakam dan kanu ka jingdu ya ki mensim brio. Ula ong ru baka jingtai kala julor, bat la ru bandu ya ki kot kisla ki badan kam, bat ai kuble ya ki pulit penlip ding, ki batem ya ka ding.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.
And we are right here in the incident, the spot, and we are yet to determine the exact reason, but it seems that it's the electrical conditions that led to the fire out here in the judiciary area. Mostly the Bar Association is here, and it's very unfortunate. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Urban Affairs, Chief Secretary, and the officials from the police department and the administration, we are all here. And of course, it's a very unfortunate incident, but we are very relieved that there's no loss of life and no casualty was there. But of course, the fact that the infrastructure is damaged and the fact that there could be loss of documents and all is obviously a concern. But we are doing our best to make sure that we minimize the damage. And even now in the site, we are all here and we are monitoring the situation. And we want to make sure that no further damage is done. So I'm thankful to the fire department that is here to handle the situation, and of course we are happy that everybody is safe, but yet there's been a great loss, and but as a government we will monitor the situation and make sure that overall there's no further damage to the situation, and and monitor the whole situation and see that no further damage is done in the situation.